The Innova 5210 CarScan Advisor is an impressive entry-level diagnostic scan tool that provides high-end features like live data and pairs seamlessly with the all-new Repair Solutions 2 app. Extra large and easy to read, with more than 20 pieces of information on a single screen, this diagnostic scan tool delivers powerful information at a powerful price. Key features include a 2.8-inch color display. The patented all-in-one display shows over 20 pieces of vital information, including diagnostic trouble codes and their definitions. Live data. See key information about your vehicle in real time, like RPM and oil temperature to aid in diagnosis. Freeze frame data. Display all stored vehicle information from when a trouble code was triggered. ABS. Diagnose the braking systems of most 1996 and newer domestic, Asian, and European vehicles. Download for free the all-new redesigned Repair Solutions 2 app from the Apple or Google Play Store and get additional information such as instructional videos, a buy now solution, and other key benefits. The goal is to get your vehicle back on the road quickly. At Innova, we continuously strive for customer satisfaction. That's why we provide an ASE-certified customer service team located in the U.S., available to answer any questions 6 days a week. The 5210 CarScan Advisor and Repair Solutions 2 from Innova. Find the problem, fix the problem.